Most people use AI engineer and ML engineer like they mean the same thing. And the fact that you wanted to watch this video means you want to know exactly what's the difference between those two and identify which is the right career path for you. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what each role does, what they earn, and most importantly, which one's actually built for you. Let's start with the simplest way to think about the difference between AI and ML engineer. An ML engineer builds the intelligence, an AI engineer deploys it. ML engineers live in research, data, and model training. They're the ones building the brain. AI engineers take that brain, wrap an API around it, plug it into a product, and make it actually useful to real people. That's the simplest difference between those two. Here's what each role actually does day to day. ML engineer. They collect and clean massive datasets. They train and evaluate models, tuning hyperparameters, writing research-heavy Python, NumPy, PyTorch, TensorFlow, and there is a lot of math, statistics, and probability. If you ever took a course in machine learning, you'll see how every model is based on a math concept. AI engineer. They integrate LLMs and AI APIs into products. They build pipelines, rack systems, and AI agents, prompt engineering and optimizing AI outputs, and deploying and scaling AI features in real applications. Think of it like this. One is closer to a data scientist, the other is closer to a software engineer who specializes in AI. Now the part that everyone actually cares about. ML engineers earn between 180k to 212k on average, with senior roles and big tech positions pushing past 300k. AI engineers earn on average 145k to 190k, with high demand pushing top roles above 200k. Both roles are among the highest paid in tech right now. Here's the honest truth though. AI engineers are in higher demand right now because every company is trying to ship AI products fast. ML engineers are harder to replace because the skill set is deeper and rare. This is the question that actually matters. Which one is for you? Pick ML engineer if you love math and statistics, you want to understand how models actually work under the hood, you're targeting research roles or big tech, and you're willing to spend years going deep on one domain. Pick AI engineer if you're a strong software engineer who wants to work with AI, you want to ship products fast and see a real-world impact, you're comfortable with APIs, backends, and system design, and you want flexibility. AI engineers are needed everywhere right now. And here's something nobody tells you. AI engineering is the faster path to take. The barrier to entry is lower, the demand is higher, and you can start building real things immediately with the tools that already exist. ML engineering is the deeper, harder path. But if that's where your curiosity lives, it's absolutely worth it. So to wrap up, ML engineers build the models. AI engineers integrate these models into software. Both pay well, both are in demand. The difference is what kind of work makes you want to show up every day at work. Figure out this first, and the career path becomes obvious. If that helped, subscribe. I cover AI, ML, and software engineering topics regularly on this channel. So, see you in the next one.